Right now, there is one little poem that I've got for you, but it's actually not from Dr. Seuss. I think somebody else did it. I don't know who wrote it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to read a poem with 2, 4, 6, 8 lines, and I want you to write it on a piece of paper, please. Write it on a piece of paper. I will tell you the words. You write, and then we check writing a bit later after that. Okay, so it's called dictation. We don't do that very often, but today that's what we're going to do. Let me know when you're ready, please.
Justina?
Yes, Petra?
Just now writing?
Yes, please, writing right now.
What about?
I'm going to give you words. You listen and you write what you hear. Dictation. Ready?
Ready.
Yes. Okay. I will repeat myself only twice, no more than twice. So you need to listen very carefully.
Yes.
I will teach you in a room. I will teach you in a room. Now it's the next line. Under now. I will teach you.
Next one.
Now on Zoom. I will teach you now on Zoom. Now next one under, next line. I will teach you. Bless you, Wei.
Pardon?
In your house. I will teach you in your house. Now go to the next line, please, under.
Yeah.
I will teach you with a mouse.
Pardon?
I will teach you with a mouse. Next line. I will teach you here and there. I will teach you here and there. I will teach you because I care. I will teach you because I care. Next line. So just do your very best. So just do your very best. Next line. And do not worry about the rest. And do not worry about the rest. Ready, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to now look at it again. Actually, you tell me. What's the first line?
I will teach you in a room.
In a room. In a room. In a room.
I will teach you.
I will teach you
No, you.
now on Zoom.
I teach.
I will teach you in your house.
Okay. Next one, Joshua, please.
I will teach you with them house.
With the what?
With them house.
Oh,
Now, fine. What do you think for this one? There is a mistake here. There is something wrong here.
Mouth. Mouth.
Like this?
No.
Like this?
With them.
mouse.
With them. Mouth. TH.
How do I? TH, mouth.
Yeah.
No. Yolanta, what do you think?
Mans.
Is there any problem? Any other problem? One more problem?
No,
I
me.
think this is like
A.
Good listening, Yolanta. Next one is Matilda's, please.
I will kitchen high and B.
No, I think we
No,
need help.
I will teach. I will teach high and B.
No.
Teach.
Petra, can you help Matilda?
H-E.
I will teach you here and there.
Good listening.
Yeah.
Thanks, Matilda, for trying. And next one, oh no, is there anyone else who hasn't had a chance yet? Phone?
Yeah.
Next one again, please. I know you said it once.
I will teach you because I care. I care. Yeah.
Next one, Wei.
so. Just do your very best.
And Joshua, please.
And
Joshua, that's all right.
Don't worry about the rest.
do
Any
you
problem?
not worry about the rest?
Do not worry.
Good listening, Wei.
not.
And do not worry about the rest.
Do not worry and do not.
So, this is what a poem looks like. And check your own words and your spelling, please. Anyone get it all right? Everything right? Anyone?
I have mistake too.
You have 2 mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I correct all.
You've got them
Spelling.
all right. All
Yeah.
correct.
But I sorry, I one mistake I forget.
1 mistake. Wei, how did you go?
I all correct, but with a mouse, I tried with the mouse.
Just the mouse. So 1 mistake. So all correct except 1 word.
Yes.
Good job. Yolanta, Matilda, Joshua, how did you 3 go?
All correct.
All correct, Joshua? But you told me incorrect ones.
One
Twice.
incorrect. I will teach you with a mouse. It's correct.
And what about and do not worry?
Oh yes, that's one.
You're right. 2. Not too bad though. Matilda?
Second. The best.
Second, no good.
Yeah.
No correct.
All right. Now.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4.
I will
5.
teach you because
Correct.
I
And don't worry about the rest. No correct.
Not correct. That's all right. Now, everyone, what do you think this poem is about? Anyone? What is this about? It's a poem, by the way, poem.
Yeah, I will teach.
I will teach.
Maybe.
Not sure.
Who do you think has written this? A teacher, a student, a mother, a father,
A teacher. A
Teacher.
teacher.
maybe a teacher. And who did he or she write it for?
Student. For student.
Student.
Or student.
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 And look at this. I'll teach you in a room on Zoom.
Zoom.
Yeah, that means it's for these days especially. In the past, we used to be in a classroom, right? But now we're in our own, studies, other rooms, and we're teaching, we're learning on Zoom.
Yes.
So I'll teach you in your house, while you're still there. I'll teach you with a mouse. What's a mouse in this sentence?
Mouse. Computer mouse.
Computer mouse. Not the squeaky. Not
Yeah.
the one, not the animal mouse, but the computer mouse.
Computer.
You click. Now, I'll teach you here and there because I care. I'll teach you because I care. It's important to me or to the teachers that you learn, that we help. So just do your very best. Of course, this is different to learning from home, from classroom, but we're all learning. We're learning to teach on Zoom, and you're learning to learn from Zoom on Zoom. So do your best. We do our best, and don't worry about the rest. It will be fine.
Yeah.
I think it is beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Yes.
I think so too. And check out Dr. Seuss books or poems on the internet, or if you have any books or if you can access any books, check them out too. Dr. Seuss books.